Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon. As you can see, we are a little cramped for space, as we normally are. Getting some more cranes out this week. This one here is set up, as you can see, for candy. And we run our candy at 50 cents. Winner every time. And it will not take that credit off because we did not win. As you can see, it's still on 5. So we're still kind of tweaking the adjustments on the crane here and wondering what candy is best to run. As you can see, we're having a little bit of trouble picking it up, but we'll get that squared away. Anyways, we have number, what number is this? Number 8 ATM. We are going to program today and get it out. We have number 9 on its way. So a little update here. I cannot help but notice the people that are so excited about purchasing locations for ATMs. So I did a little research. Bear with me while I set up our camera here. Anyways, did a little research, and I had no idea what they were charging, but I do now, and I am a little bit shocked. Okay, and by that I mean, bring this in a little bit closer here. People, I hope, and I really hope and pray you're not paying, you know, $600 and $800 and $900, $1,000 for an ATM spot. You know, unless you're getting it in the O'Hare Airport, 1 per terminal or something. But I have a list that's printed here, and I've thought about this for about 2 days, and I've cooled down a little bit, so I'm not quite as teed off as I was when I read it. But this active list of for sale accounts, and I don't believe in selling accounts. I never have. We're never going to. Anybody that bought equipment from me, processed through me as far as now my new ATM venture, they got free accounts. If something came across my desk and I had an account open up in Seattle, Washington, and I had an operator up there, first thing I would do is contact them and say, do you want this, you know, this mini market with gas? And if they did, beautiful, there's no charge. We're not in the locating business. However, we have a lot of great ideas for getting you locations. Most of you probably know me through social media, through our Facebook page. My 8 ATM accounts, 5 or 6 were direct result in social media, the locations contacting me. The other 2 or 3, a couple of pending ones, those were from cold calls that I made in my own area. And one of them actually was even a spot where I had the bulk charity machine already for gumballs for the St. Jude's kids. So anyways, as far as cold calling, you've got to learn to do it, guys. If you don't want to go out, you want to stay in your basement, and I hate to use that analogy, but you can't pay. If you pay $600 for a spot for an ATM, like I said, if it's in the San Francisco or Oakland International Airport, it might be a little bit different, but ask, what kind of a contract do I have? What kind of a signed contract is in place? And I would be willing to bet you that the answer is there is no contract. Now, as far as my ATM venture, I've done things a long time. I don't do them just to be in business. I want it to be profitable. I don't bolt one to the floor for less than 5 years. Okay, that's me. Some people may want to do it for less. It's kind of like the internet jukeboxes. The master companies, the hosts, you've got to have a contract. They're not just going to open these accounts and spend all this money on paperwork, etc. If in 90 days some guy offers them an extra $5 a month and he takes your spot. So be fair with your people, offer them something that's legitimate. These on this list are all crappy. You know why they're crappy? Because most of them are $2.99 swipes with $1 going to the account. That leaves you with $1.99. That's not the way to go, guys. You've got to get $3 your end. On the programs that we help you with, we encourage you to charge $3.50 or $3.75. 50 cents of that is your processing fee that goes to us. The balance is yours. If you want $5, that's fine. You may not get as many transactions, but add the 50 cents in. So rather than paying $600, $400, $900 or something on here for $1,000, nothing about contracts. So anyways, this is just telemarketing stuff. You guys can go to Fiverr, hire some guy in India for $40 and he'll make a couple hundred calls. Well, did he really make those calls? Because if he comes up empty, okay, you're out $40, but what if he actually lands one of those spots? Well worth the $40. So you might try that, guys. You might try a shot on Fiverr. There's a ton of them. Be sure you get a guy that speaks pretty good English, because like I say, most of them are in other countries. It's a little stereotypical when you get a call from some sort of a telemarketer from another country. So anyways, guys, things are going well. I've got number 8 to the left of me here, going out Wednesday. I've got number 9 coming. That is for the most part placed. However, I don't have a contract in place yet because I need to go out and visit a second time when the bar owner has their partner there. Apparently 2 ladies own the bar, so I always like to get 2 signatures, especially when there's 2 owners. I don't do manager signatures. I don't mind a manager signature, but I want an owner signature as well on the location agreement. So anyways, guys, I cannot stress to you that you need to find your own locations. Paying for these spots, it just isn't worth it. You're going to work 4 to 6 months with no contract to get your money back just for the placement fee, and that's not what this business is about. With our program on 30 below average swipes, you're still going to have all your money back in 10 months. So give it some thought, guys. If you need help with locations in your area, we'll be more than happy to help you. I've got several ATM videos out. Just look at my playlist. It's on the amusement and vending channel. This is probably number 5 or 6, maybe 7 for ATM. So take a look at those. There's some good information in there. Let me know if I didn't cover things. I'm going to put my email down below there, and we welcome your correspondence. Go out and get a location first. Okay, land a spot. Give yourself 10 to 14 days. Get a hold of me. We'll get your processing paperwork to you. Fill it out. You'll be approved the same day. We'll put you in touch with our rep for equipment. He will order the equipment the same day. You'll have it shipped from Dallas, Texas in about 4 days. There's no shipping fee in the lower 48 states, and it'll be delivered right to your home, your shop, your location. It'll come with a lift gate if needed, and from there, all you need to do is set it up, get a hold of our technical support team on the phone, like I'm going to do in the morning for this machine, being as I'm doing a little taping here on Sunday, and you'll be good to go. Wheel it in full of cash, have your guy bolt it down, and you'll be ready to go. Even 4 swipes a day, guys, that's $12. You do the math, that's $360 a month your side. So it's hard to beat numbers like that, and that's not even average. Average swipes is about 5 per day. So guys, questions, you holler. I appreciate all the support, and I really look forward to the comments, because 99% of them are all quality comments, and maybe it's something I missed, and I'll include them in the next video. So guys, for now, Doug and Doug's World Tour, our new ATM venture, and I'm out.